Hey guys, Sal from TechAirs.com. We are at CES 2020 and we are taking a look at Sony's Vision-S prototype concept car.
Hello, so we are Sony here at the Sony booth, and this week at the CES, Sony announced the new initiative called Vision-S, which is to contribute to the evolution of mobility. And at the presentation earlier of the week, our CEO talked about three key elements from the Vision-S. One is called safety, and second being entertainment, and the third being the adaptability. What you see right in front of you here is the Vision-S prototype, which we put a shape to. And this vehicle, it's a prototype vehicle, has the 33 sensors inside out, which is represented here by the concept of oval, and to give passengers and drivers the 360 safety and entertainment experience. The second component is entertainment, and this car is equipped with a seat-based speaker and giving the passengers the 360 reality audio experience with a very immersive and surrounding sounds. Also, what you can see in the front of the car is a panoramic screen, which has a very large size screen, giving you the very intuitive user interface, and alongside that also has the side view camera and also the rear view camera system as well. Thirdly, the aspect that we also announced here is called so-called adaptability, which is to give the continuous updates and personalization of the in-car experience. And the car is going to be equipped with the 5G connectivity, always-on connectivity, so the car will continuously improve and continuously to be updated for the optimal vehicle experience. This is the prototype car, and currently, it is drivable. But in the very near term, we hope to be able to put this into the public road for the safety testing and others. So there will be more to come from Sony, but this will be the first look of the Vision-S, and thank you very much for checking that out. Bye.